Hi, here is the Olympus AF-1 overall conditions, and here the back is the battery compartment. We're using one CRP2 battery, so we just put according to the indicator show. And make sure that this ribbon is at outside, so that when you want to replace the battery, you can just pull it out like this, more easy. Then just close it. Next, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the film. Slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the center motor is fit into the center part of the canister. Like that, and push it inside. The film tip, you just pull until here will do. You can also see that inside here got a big show that where to pull the film tip lah. Got a line at that, and make sure that your film is flat. The next thing, you just close it. Okay, you see here is still show S, which means that maybe it doesn't load the film well. So because this film I've used many times, so I keep cutting it, so maybe I pull a little bit longer like this, and when here show a 1, which means that I have loaded it successfully. Next thing, by open here, is means that it's on already. And here is the shutter, and here is the viewfinder. At the viewfinder center point, got a bracket. So you just use the bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and shoot it. It's quick focus and quick flash, so it's quite easy for it to focus. Then if the environment is too dark, then you will trigger the flash. You see, you have trigger. Then here is the self timer. By clicking it and the shutter together, then here we'll have a red light light up, which means that the timer is start counting already. It's took around like 10 seconds like that. It's a weatherproof camera, so you can use under the rain. And to make sure that when you shoot, beware that your finger, it might touch or cover the lens, then the outcome will be covered. And the viewfinder doesn't link with the lens, so when you shoot, you need to hold it properly. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And if you don't want to use it, just close it like this, will be okay. Then you can fire the shutter.